quick tutorial in how to convert statement to predicate notation. Let's begin. So, given the problem or the statement is every student has at least one course they are not enrolled. We're going to identify the quantifiers, then the predicates. Let's start with the quantifiers.
Every.
So here, the quantifier is the every. So, the symbol.
So mag-start ta sa every gyud.
Quantifiers that every is this symbol, like letter A or inverted A. And the second quantifier
number
here
is
the
least.
So the symbol we used here is the mirrored E.
A.
And that's all for the quantifiers. Now, for the predicates, students here is the
Predicates. Student is predicates.
The second predicate here is the
Course.
Course. And last but not the least is the enrolled.
Enrolled.
Enrolled. Now let's convert this predicate into a predicate notation. Okay, so as you can see, I already write it down. So student here means X is a student, and course is Y. Y is a course. So here student is the predicate that represents X, and here is course that represents Y. So the other predicate that we transport to notation is the enrolled. So you can read this as student X is enrolled in course Y. But since we need to negate this one, as you can see here, the statement there are not, which indicate that we need to negate this. Okay, so the statement or the notation become
Enrolled X, Y, students X not enrolled in course Y.
Student X is not enrolled in course Y. Now, let's try to transform this statement from that identified given to a predicate notation. So this is the predicate notation, as you can see. Now let's identify why it becomes like this. So let's start with the quantifiers. So this
Quantifiers.
for all. So that's a for all. And the other one is the there exists at least one. Then we also use the student as a predicate. And inside the student is also is the course. The other one is the
enrollment. X quad Y.
Okay, we draw a line. So here, instead of using enrolled, since the statement is not enrolled, we use the negated enrolled. Okay? So that's how you convert the statement to predicate notation. Okay? That's all. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.